The year 2025 has brought a new level of sophistication and innovation to motorhome travel. Luxurious motorhome tours have transformed into an experience that rivals five-star hotel stays, offering travelers the freedom of the open road without sacrificing comfort. The latest models feature state-of-the-art amenities, modern aesthetics, and intelligent technologies that cater to the desires of the most discerning adventurers. One of the standout features of these tours is the inclusion of smart systems that allow travelers to control lighting, climate, entertainment, and even window shades through integrated apps or voice commands. These advancements create a seamless and customized experience, making every journey feel curated. Travelers can now focus on enjoying their surroundings without dealing with cumbersome manual setups. The interiors of 2025's motorhomes showcase elegant design choices, from high-gloss cabinetry and ambient LED lighting to plush leather seating and quartz countertops. These design elements make stepping inside a motorhome feel more like entering a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The attention to detail in finishes and textures contributes to an ambiance of understated opulence. Kitchen spaces in the latest motorhomes are nothing short of gourmet. They come equipped with full-sized appliances, including induction cooktops, convection ovens, and wine coolers. Built-in espresso machines and under-cabinet lighting elevate the experience further. Travelers can cook like a chef while parked beside a scenic lake or in a quiet forest. Sleeping arrangements have also been taken to new heights. King-sized memory foam mattresses, electric blackout blinds, and climate control systems ensure restful nights wherever the road leads. Some motorhomes even include separate sleeping quarters for guests or children, along with sliding partitions for privacy. Bathrooms in the 2025 luxury motorhomes resemble those found in upscale hotels. Expect rainfall showers, heated floors, and backlit mirrors. High-end motorhomes also offer water filtration systems and expanded storage to accommodate longer trips without sacrificing convenience or hygiene. Entertainment systems have seen a significant upgrade. 4K smart TVs, satellite connectivity, immersive surround sound systems, and even VR-ready gaming setups can now be found in many models. Streaming services are built in, and strong Wi-Fi systems allow for uninterrupted access to online entertainment and work-from-anywhere capabilities. Tour packages for luxurious motorhome experiences now include concierge-level services. Companies offer curated itineraries, from wine country excursions to national park adventures. A personal travel assistant can help plan every detail, including campsite reservations, private tours, and gourmet meal deliveries directly to the RV. What sets 2025 apart is the rise in eco-conscious luxury motorhomes. Many are now built with sustainable materials, solar panels, and hybrid or fully electric drivetrains. This focus on sustainability does not compromise luxury but rather adds to its appeal by aligning comfort with environmental responsibility. Another innovation is the integration of expandable living spaces. Slide-outs and pop-up ceilings are more common, creating larger interiors when parked. Some even include outdoor kitchens, rooftop lounges, and extendable patios, effectively doubling the usable space during stops. Travelers also enjoy enhanced safety features such as 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and real-time hazard alerts. These technologies make driving large luxury vehicles safer and more accessible, even for those new to RV travel. The popularity of remote work has boosted the demand for mobile office features in motorhomes. Many now come with dedicated workspaces, ergonomic furniture, and noise insulation to support productivity on the go. High-speed satellite internet ensures smooth video calls and online collaboration from almost anywhere. Luxury motorhome tours are increasingly tailored to specific lifestyles. Families, couples, digital nomads, and retirees each have dedicated tour options that match their needs and interests. This level of personalization ensures that each trip feels meaningful and satisfying. Resort-style campgrounds have also evolved in 2025, offering private parking spots with full hookups, spa services, gourmet dining options, and fitness centers. These destinations complement the luxurious feel of the motorhome itself, creating a full-circle premium experience. In conclusion, luxurious motorhome tours in 2025 offer a perfect blend of adventure, comfort, and technology. The market continues to evolve, offering more elegant, efficient, and sustainable options for modern travelers. Whether exploring the countryside or working remotely in style, these tours redefine the possibilities of road travel.